Hey everyone, welcome back to the Thridify tutorial series on setting up your 3D configurator. In today's session, we're going to build something super important behind the scenes, your central material library inside the Thridify Admin Panel. This library helps you store, organize, and reuse all your textures, colors, fabrics, and finishes. So when you're creating multiple 3D configurators, you don't have to upload the same materials over and over again. Let's jump in. Login to Admin Panel. Start by logging into your Thridify Admin Panel using your credentials, or sign in with Google if that's enabled for your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, we'll head over to the left navigation panel. On the left sidebar, click on Materials. Then open Material Library. This is your account-specific central repository for everything related to product surfaces. Textures, finishes, colors, and designs. Think of it as your digital swatch book. Instead of uploading the same leather texture, wood grain, or fabric pattern again and again for different products, you upload it once here and reuse it anywhere. This keeps your workflow faster, cleaner, and way more scalable. Create a new material. Let's create our first material. Click Add Material. For this example, let's create something simple, say plastic. Now you'll see options to add different material maps. These maps control how the surface behaves in 3D. You can upload metalness map, roughness map, normal map, ambient occlusion map, and other supported properties. If you don't have these maps available, no problem. You can directly adjust the values inside the tool using sliders. And if you're unsure what a property does, just hover over the little info icon next to it. You'll get a quick explanation right there. Name, price, and category. Next, give your material a name. For example, the material could be suede. Then assign a category, like fabric. Adding categories is highly recommended because it keeps your library organized, especially once you start adding dozens or even hundreds of materials. You'll also notice an option to add a price. This is optional, but very useful. If you include pricing here, it can automatically show up to customers while they're customizing products. Add design and colors. Now let's add colors or design variations inside this material. Click Add Design. Or if you already have multiple textures ready, you can click Add Multiple Designs to upload them in bulk. For each design, upload the texture or color. Add pricing if applicable. Give it a clear name. Pricing here is completely optional. But here's a quick pro tip. If every design inside a material has its own price, it's better to assign prices at the design level only. But if pricing depends only on the material type, you can simply set the price once at the material level, and it will automatically apply to all designs. That saves a lot of manual setup later. Set design tiling. You'll see the tiling control. This determines how the texture repeats across the product surface. Adjusting tiling lets you control whether a pattern appears, tightly repeated, stretched out, or scaled realistically. This is especially important for fabrics, wood grains, and patterned surfaces. Add a second material, Multiple Designs Demo. Let's add another material. This time, something like wood. Click Add Material again. Name it Wood. Assign the category Wood. Now we'll demonstrate Add Multiple Designs. Upload several wood textures at once. You'll notice each one can be named individually, assigned a color preview given its own price. Adjusted for tiling. This bulk upload feature is a huge time saver when working with large product catalogs. Delete unused materials or designs. If you ever need to remove something, it's simple. You can delete any design or material using the delete icon. Let's quickly delete one design as an example. Don't worry, this only removes it from the library. It won't affect published configurators unless they actively use that design. Here's a quick workflow tip that will save you tons of time later. Always group your materials into logical categories. For example, keep all wood finishes under wood, all fabric materials under fabric, all metals under metal. This makes your library far easier to browse, and also improves usability when assigning materials during configurator setup. Trust us, future you will appreciate this. And that's it. You now know how to build and organize your central material library inside Thridify. Once your materials are ready here, you can instantly use them across multiple products while building your 3D configurators. No duplicate uploads, no messy asset folders, just a clean, reusable material system. Thanks for watching this part of the Thridify Configurator Setup series. In the next tutorial, we'll continue building your configurator and show how these materials connect directly into your product customization workflow.